This is the result of the fabric that we dyed with marigold flowers. With the use of some modifiers, you can have more colors with just one dye stuff. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use ferrous sulphate to change the color of this fabric. First, I'm going to cut the fabric. Now, I'm going to take one plastic vessel that I only use for ferrous sulphate, because ferrous sulphate tends to be really difficult to clean. So if you use this plastic vessel for something else, you will get a very dark color all the time. This is the product that I'm using, ferrous sulphate. And I'm going to pour just a little pinch of this ferrous sulphate into the water. I'm gonna mix. And then we're going to add our fabric using gloves. We're gonna let the fabric inside for 5 minutes, always mixing so that the ferrous sulphate can penetrate all the fabric. Then we remove the fabric and wash it with fresh water from the tap. Once all the fabric is clean, let it to dry in the shadow.